Yeah, hello traders. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we just do some analysis on gold and BTC USD. So right now, this is the daily, this is the monthly time frame, and what I'm seeing is that what my analysis is telling me is that gold wanted to take out this high. Okay, don't worry. We will see that. Okay, wanted to take out this high because what gold is just trading straight up, giving us what only buyers has done what it is only buyers who has participated in this market to this whole side. So now I think this is now that sellers has what dominated the market. So buyers want to take out this liquidity above this high and did what and do what and trade to this other block. After that, then they give us the room move to the upside. And why I'm saying this is that this is the order block, this is our order block, this is our order block, that is our order block in the monthly time frame. So if we zoom into the weekly time frame, you will see exactly what I'm saying. So right now price wanted to do what, take out this high, take out this high and give us what, a pullback into this zone, give us a pullback into this zone before giving us what, the real move to the upside. And mind you, let's go to the daily time frame. And in the daily time frame, in normal analysis that we do, have you seen this order block here, this order block, that the order block that caused this break of structure, this order block that caused this break of structure? In normal analysis that we do, when price take out this high, break structure to the upside, we anticipate that what price should do, what, pull back, give us a pullback into this zone before the real move to the upside. That is what we anticipate in normal circumstances. But hear me out, this is what I see in the market. Before an order block or an origin should be valid or should be high probability for price, for a turning point for price, there must be what, there must be a fair value gap, a liquidity pool, before it is a high probability zone for price to do what, to turn. But over here, if we zoom to the 4-hour time frame, you will see that price has done what, has already filled all the gap and has already traded into what, into this zone. If you place our Fibonacci tool here from, let me see, is it from here, yeah, from here to the upside, no, not from here, not from here, no, yeah, no, from here, sorry for that, from here to the, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, you see that price has done what, price hasn't mitigated what they say, And ICT said we should buy in what discount and sell in premium. So in normal circumstances, right now, price has done what? No, I'm coming. Uh, in normal circumstances, price has traded into this equilibrium. Price has traded into equilibrium, tapping into this fair value gap already. And if we want to trade this in when we want to trade this in a breaker block mode, this is what we will see in the market. Price has already tapped into what our fair value gap. That is why price has given us this huge move to the upside. And mind you, see this other block over here. See that other block. See the other block. There is no fair value gap. There is no fair value gap. Only liquidity, and the zone is not strong enough for price to turn and give us that movement to the upside. To turn to give us what? That movement to the upside. So in my opinion, on my analysis, that is what I saw in the market. But don't take it as what? Don't take it as a final decision that I have what? You have seen my video that I've done this analysis, so you do what? You do what? You to go and do what? Go and do your analysis and do what? And find out what you see in the market before you take your decision. As for me, this is what I see in the market. So this is what I see on gold, and I want to share it with you this week. So okay, let's go down to BTC-USD. So on BTC-USD, let's go to the monthly time frame. May I start my analysis from monthly time frame because I don't want to get lost. So in the monthly time frame, you will see that in the monthly time frame, this is what you will see. This is what you will see in the monthly time frame. This is what you will see in the monthly time frame. And if we put on Fibonacci 2 from here to here, you notice that price is still in what? In premium. Price is still what? Expensive. And what should we do? We should buy low and sell high. So what do? We should buy low and sell high. So price has to do what? Price has to trade into this what? Zone before giving us the push to the upside. This is what I see on what? BTC USD, and this is what? The monthly time frame. So let's go down to the weekly time frame for better view. So in the weekly time frame, you will see that this you see that price has changed character. Price has changed some fake character from what? Price has changed some fake character in the what? In the smaller time frame, as if price is ready to go to the what? Upside. But that is not it. Price supposed to trade into this zone before giving us what? The trade to the upside. Because what? Only buyers, if you look at this zone, you will see that it is only buyer that has dominated this market, and sellers has to do what? Came to the market and break the market to this zone before giving us a trade to the upside. Okay, so let's go down to the weekly time frame, daily time frame for clarity. Let's go down to the weekly time frame for clarity. Daily time frame, sorry. Yeah. So you notice what? That price has traded into this zone, giving us a fake movement on this other block. But what? Price has to what? Trade inside this zone. Inside what? This zone, before giving us a push to the upside. So right now, let's see. In the daily time frame, price has broken structure to the downside. And what we anticipate? We want price to do what? Trade back into this zone, and what? Before giving us trade back into this zone, before giving us the real move to the downside and a change of character to the upside. So on gold, that is on what? BTC-USD, this is what I saw on the market. Price has fake structure over here, claiming it has what? Changed character, but this is not the case. Price has broken structure to the downside, and price has what? Price supposed to do what? Trade inside this zone, inside this, and give us a trade to the downside. And what? Price has supposed to do what? Before price will change character, price supposed to break this zone, break this high before giving us a change of character. So don't let price deceive you. So this is what I see on what? This is what I see on BTC USD. So if you are ready to buy on BTC USD, do what? Do your analysis very well. Do your analysis very well before you take a buy on BTC USD. Before you take a buy on BTC USD, because BTC USD can do anything at all. BTC USD can do anything at all time. Yes, and it is volatile, very very volatile. So this is what I see on BTC USD and gold. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, share it to a friend for clarification, and go do your analysis very well. First, go to the monthly time frame, check break of structures, and if you can't do that, go to the monthly time frame check for break of structures, and what if a break of structure happens, what's supposed to happen before a retracement or whatever. Come back down to the weekly time frame, check very well a break of structure, go to the daily, check for a break of structure, come to the 4-hour, check internal break of structure liquidity and what other blocks, liquidity pools before you take your trade. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace out.